When you love cars, when you love racing, Le Mans is the absolute first circuit which you think of as the place you want to be, as a place you want to race as a racer. There is pretty much no other circuit which is so legendary than here. So my name is Katarina Kyvalova. I'm a very passionate car enthusiast, racer and founder of Bentley Bells, all-female Bentley team. And I'm right now at Le Mans Classics, and I'm racing a 1928 Bentley 4.5 litre in the Plateau 1. So Le Mans Classic started in 2002, and it is the biggest classic car gathering race weekend in the world. It's a wonderful meeting. About 200,000 spectators are coming every time. Le Mans Classics has 6 plateaus, so 6 different categories, which are racing within 24 hours. And it starts with pre-war and it ends with 1985 cars. That's the last group. I started with classic car rally. I joined different rallies in the UK, in Europe, with a Bentley. That was actually pretty much the start. I've been, I believe, 5 times to Le Mans Classics. It's not much about sleeping. So we started the journey in London, across, get the Eurotrain and then land in Calais in France. Wonderful French country roads, it's always fantastic to drive down there and continue the Le Mans. We did have an issue, we almost thought we made it to Le Mans without any problem at all, but here you go. The battery went flat, but somehow we switched, from dynamo to alternator by accident. So the car didn't want to start, so bump started and it was, towed it and all good. It worked out straight away. Driving a modern car compared to driving a pre-war W Bentley, that's a totally different world. It's very different. There's a 4-inline engine in it, a D-type gearbox, and it's quite tricky, obviously. Changing gears is the most challenging part of the whole challenge. Driving the car all the way from London to Le Mans, there are a couple of challenges. The temperature of the car, you have to watch it, you have to see what you do. Gear changing, you have to double-declutch on upshift, that's the first challenge. Downshifting, even more difficult. So you have to not only double-declutch, you have to blip the throttle and then actually match the speed. And it's a pure driving, back to the basics, back to the roots. You really have to work with the car. So the journey to Le Mans is like back in times, old good times with Bentley Boys. So driving, through the beautiful French countryside and in the UK, it's, an open car like Bentley in the good weather and we have this weekend. It's just pretty perfect. If I always have the choice, I always just go and take this car out. The Bentley and me, I think we're some kind of unit. Bentley and Le Mans go absolutely hand in hand. It's very special for all of us to have the chance and race the same routes like the Bentley Boys did.